Good morning, everyone. Hope you people explore different ideas from my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Today, in my video, you can get white kitchen ideas. Hope you guys get different ideas for your houses and make your houses beautiful. Too much white can mean that a space feels clinical and cold rather than clean and crisp. To avoid this type of situation, consider adding a splash of color or texture, mixing white cabinets with contrasting countertops or back shelves. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. What flooring goes with white kitchen? Light hardwood is the best color floor for a white kitchen if you want to maintain an airy feel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Identifying the right paint colors that will work best with white cabinets can be a time consuming task. Hope you guys get different ideas for your kitchen. A light color on the walls and the cabinets instantly brightens a space, making it look larger and in turn more expensive. Light colors reflect light and hide a multitude of sin, including those scratches, dings, and dents in your old cabinet. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. White kitchens will never go out of style. They are just not trending hard like the green cabinet of 2022. So, if you are about to jump into a kitchen remodel and you are wondering if you should really purchase those white kitchen cabinets, I gotcha. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Identifying the right paint color that will work best with white cabinets can be a time consuming task. However, the good news is that there are several options. Thank you.